Let me tell you something nobody in the fitness industry will say to your face. The back pain, the stiff hips, the energy that used to be there when you woke up, but now shows up somewhere around never. The strength slowly draining out of your body year by year. None of that is because you got older. That is the story they sold you, and most men bought it without asking a single question. I'm Dr. Ada James. Welcome back. If you're finding this valuable, please like and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Here's the truth. Your body was built around a set of primal movement patterns. Foundational patterns that your muscles, your skeleton, your nervous system, and your hormonal chemistry all depend on to function correctly. And after decades of chairs, car seats, desk jobs, and sedentary weekends, those patterns disappeared one by one. Your hips stopped loading, your glutes stopped firing, your spine lost its support from below, your pelvis tilted forward and stayed there, compressing your lumbar spine and slowly strangling circulation through the tissues responsible for male hormonal output. You didn't age out of strength. You moved out of the patterns that created it. And that is the most empowering thing I can tell you today. Because if dysfunction begins when those patterns disappear, recovery begins the moment you bring them back. That's exactly what these 5 exercises do. Let's get into it. 1. Horse stance. Feet wider than your shoulders, toes slightly out. Drop your hips straight down as if lowering onto an invisible bench. Chest open, spine tall, knees tracking outward. Sink until your legs wake up and hold. Breathe deep and slow. This posture has been used by warriors and martial artists for thousands of years for one reason. It rebuilds the foundation. Horse stance simultaneously fires the inner thighs, quads, glutes, and deep hip rotators, the 4 areas men over 50 lose fastest. When you hold it, your diaphragm drops, your pelvic floor engages, and circulation surges through the lower body. That pelvic blood flow directly improves testosterone signaling. Cortisol drops. Anabolic hormones rise. Even 30 seconds daily produces a noticeable shift within the first week. This is the on switch for your entire lower body. 2. Deep squat hold. Lower all the way down into a full squat. Heels flat, knees wide, spine lengthening downward. Place a folded towel under your heels if needed until your ankles open up. Rest your elbows on the insides of your knees and just breathe. Stay there. The deep squat is the natural human resting position. Every population that hasn't been trapped in office furniture for 40 years uses it daily. Modern life took it from you and your body paid the price. Hips shortened, ankles locked up, the lumbar spine compressed, the pelvic floor tightened into a chronic vice grip. Reintroducing this position reverses all of it. The hips decompress, the lower back unwinds, the pelvis and spine restore their relationship, the relationship that governs how you walk, stand, lift, and breathe. Blood flows again through the pelvic floor tissues connected to sexual health, prostate function, and testosterone production. 20 seconds in a deep squat does more for your lower body than an hour on a stationary bike. 3. Glute bridge. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat, and hip width apart. Drive your heels into the floor, squeeze your glutes as hard as you can, and push your hips to the ceiling. Pause at the top for a full second. Lower slowly. Control every inch. Weak glutes are the root cause of nearly everything that collapses in men after 50. Back pain, tight hamstrings, unstable knees, poor posture, hormonal decline. Here's exactly why. When your glutes shut down from years of sitting, your pelvis tips forward. That tilt compresses the lumbar spine and cuts off circulation through the lower abdomen and pelvic region. Your hip flexors, hamstrings, and lower back overcompensate, becoming chronically tight and inflamed. The hormonal environment deteriorates right alongside the structural one. Glute bridge reverses the entire cascade. It reactivates the largest, most hormonally responsive muscle group in your body. It restores pelvic alignment. It decompresses your spine and floods your deep tissues with fresh blood. Men who rebuild their glutes report less back pain within days and noticeably better energy within weeks. This single movement is carrying more weight than you realize. 4. Bird dog. On all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Brace lightly through your core. Extend your right arm forward and left leg back simultaneously. Hold. Nothing rotates, nothing drops. Switch sides. Bird dog looks too simple to matter. it is one of the most important exercises you can do. The deep spinal stabilizers, the small muscles running along your vertebrae, are what separate a back that protects itself from one that breaks down under any load. These muscles don't waste away dramatically. They go quiet. They stop communicating with the nervous system and stop contributing to your movement. When they go silent, larger muscles absorb the strain, your lower back tightens, posture collapses, and basic movement becomes unnecessarily hard. Bird dog brings those stabilizers back online. It also restores the contralateral movement pattern, right arm and left leg coordinating together, which is the fundamental movement sequence your body evolved to rely on for walking, climbing, and generating power. When that pattern weakens, everything weakens with it. When it returns, coordination, stability, and nervous system efficiency all improve. If your back has been a persistent problem, this is where solving it begins. 5. Frog stretch. Kneel and walk your knees wide apart, ankles directly behind your knees. Lower your forearms to the floor. Slowly shift your hips backward and breathe into the stretch. You'll feel it deep in your inner thighs and groin. Don't force it. Let gravity and your breath do the work. The frog stretch targets the adductors and inner hip tissues, areas most men have never deliberately stretched in their adult lives. When these structures tighten, and they always do, they act like a tourniquet on pelvic circulation. Blood slows. The pelvic floor contracts chronically. The glutes shut off. The hormonal environment of the lower body suffers directly as a result. Frog stretch releases all of it. As the inner hips open, circulation returns to the tissues that matter most for male vitality. Lower back pressure lifts immediately. Mobility that felt permanently lost begins returning. Without open hips, no other movement pattern reaches its potential. This is the stretch that makes everything else possible. Gentlemen, your body is not declining. It has been waiting. These 5 movements rebuild the exact foundation everything else depends on. 10 minutes a day, horse stance, deep squat, glute bridge, bird dog, frog stretch. Your hips will open, your back will quiet, your energy will return, and your testosterone will rise the way it was always designed to, naturally and consistently. Strength after 50 is not about working harder, it's about working correctly. Start today. Now tell me in the comments, where in the world are you watching from? Let's see how many men are choosing to come back stronger.